For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most extraordinary and transformative achievements ever created in the field of space science, continuously pushing the limits of human understanding and expanding the boundaries of what we once believed was possible. Quietly orbiting high above Earth, like a silent and ever-watchful eye suspended in the vast and unending darkness of space, it has carried out its mission with unwavering precision, observing the universe without interruption and recording its secrets in extraordinary detail. Far removed from the noise, distortion, and limitations of Earth's surface, Hubble exists in a realm of clarity where observation becomes something closer to pure vision, untouched by the interference of atmosphere or light pollution. When it was first launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, it represented not only a technological milestone but also a bold step forward in humanity's desire to explore beyond its own world. Years of planning, engineering, and scientific ambition had culminated in this single instrument, carrying with it the hopes of an entire generation of astronomers and researchers. Yet despite these high expectations, the true scale of its long-term impact remained uncertain, as no one could fully predict how deeply this telescope would transform our understanding of the universe. At the time, it was seen primarily as a powerful observational tool, designed to gather data and capture distant images, but not yet as something that would fundamentally alter humanity's perception of existence itself. Positioned far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble operates in a region where vision is no longer blurred by shifting air currents or scattered light, allowing it to observe the universe with extraordinary sharpness and precision. Through its lens, the night sky is no longer a distant mystery, but a detailed and structured landscape filled with depth, motion, and history. Stars, once perceived as faint and flickering points of light, are revealed as stable and well-defined celestial objects, each representing a distant moment frozen in time, their light traveling across unimaginable distances to reach us. Every star becomes a story, a fragment of cosmic history written across billions of years, offering insight into the life cycle of the universe itself. Galaxies, when observed through Hubble's powerful instruments, no longer appear as blurred patches of light, but instead emerge as vast and intricate systems filled with structure and order. Their spiral arms extend outward in graceful patterns, shaped by gravity and motion, while their luminous centers radiate immense energy, often powered by phenomena too powerful to fully comprehend. These galaxies appear less like distant objects and more like living systems, evolving slowly over time, shaped by forces that operate on scales far beyond human experience. Nebulae, once hidden in the depths of space, unfold into enormous clouds of gas and dust, glowing with color and complexity, forming structures that resemble vast cosmic artworks painted across an infinite canvas. Within these nebulae, new stars are born, while others fade away, making them both the beginning and the end of stellar life cycles. Although Hubble was originally designed to study distant galaxies and capture ancient light from the early universe, its purpose quickly expanded as its capabilities became more evident. Over time, it evolved into something far greater than a simple observational instrument, a continuous observer of both the distant cosmos and our own solar system. Unlike short-term missions that provide only brief glimpses of space, Hubble introduced a powerful new approach: long-term observation. Orbiting Earth approximately every 90 minutes, it repeatedly returns to the same regions of space, capturing changes that occur slowly over time. This ability to observe across months, years, and even decades has allowed scientists to build a continuous record of cosmic activity. Through this extended perspective, a deeper understanding began to emerge, one that challenged earlier assumptions about the nature of space. The solar system, once thought to be relatively stable and unchanging, revealed itself to be dynamic, active, and constantly evolving. Planets shift, atmospheres change, and surfaces transform over time, driven by forces that operate both gradually and dramatically. Moons drift, gravitational interactions reshape orbits, and even small celestial bodies undergo subtle but continuous change. What once appeared still and predictable is now understood as a complex system filled with motion, interaction, and transformation unfolding across time. Despite certain limitations, such as its relatively narrow field of view, the Hubble Space Telescope has consistently overcome challenges through creative and innovative scientific techniques. One of its most remarkable achievements occurred during the 2012 transit of Venus, a rare alignment in which Venus passed directly between Earth and the Sun. Observing this event directly posed serious risks due to intense solar radiation, which could have damaged Hubble's sensitive instruments. To overcome this, scientists developed an ingenious solution by using the Moon as a natural reflective surface, allowing them to safely capture the event indirectly. Sunlight passing through Venus's atmosphere was reflected off the lunar surface and then recorded by Hubble, creating a unique observational opportunity. By analyzing this reflected light, scientists confirmed that Venus's atmosphere is dominated by carbon dioxide and exists under extreme pressure and harsh environmental conditions. Even more importantly, this method later became a foundation for studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets far beyond our solar system. Among all planetary targets, Mars has remained one of the most frequently observed and scientifically important. Its relatively close distance to Earth, combined with its constantly changing environment, makes it an ideal subject for long-term observation. Hubble has captured detailed full-disk images of Mars, revealing a world far more active and complex than once believed. Over time, it has documented clear seasonal changes across the planet's surface, where regions shift in appearance due to variations in sunlight, temperature, and atmospheric pressure. Cloud formations have been observed developing, moving, and fading across the thin Martian atmosphere, forming subtle but widespread weather patterns. One of the most significant discoveries is the seasonal expansion and contraction of Mars' polar ice caps, confirming the presence of a repeating climate cycle. Although much weaker than Earth's system, this cycle demonstrates that Mars is not a static or lifeless world, but one that continues to change over time. Hubble has also captured extreme weather events, including massive dust storms that can grow large enough to cover nearly the entire planet. In 2001, one such global storm lasted for months, completely obscuring the Martian surface beneath a dense layer of dust. During this time, Mars appeared almost featureless, highlighting how quickly and dramatically its appearance can change. These observations have fundamentally reshaped scientific understanding, transforming Mars from a seemingly dead world into an active and evolving planet. Beyond Mars, Hubble has studied its small moon Phobos, revealing important insights into gravitational interactions. Observations show that Phobos is slowly spiraling inward toward Mars, pulled by tidal forces over long periods of time. This gradual movement suggests that in the distant future, Phobos may either break apart and form a ring system or collide with the planet's surface. In the asteroid belt, Hubble has revealed that this region is not quiet or inactive, but filled with motion, collisions, and transformation. Some asteroids spin rapidly due to uneven heating from sunlight, causing them to shed material and form faint, comet-like tails. In other cases, Hubble has captured evidence of asteroid collisions, where impacts create expanding clouds of debris drifting through space. Over time, these fragments continue to interact and disperse, showing that even ancient rocky bodies are part of an ongoing cycle of cosmic change.